In order to record your screen within a Zoom meeting, number one, you have to be the host or ask the host to give you permissions to do so. So what you want to do as the host is, as you can see here, I'm on a Zoom call. You're going to have a couple of options down here that you see. And if you don't see record, you want to go to more right here. And then you should see the record button here that allows you to click record. And then you can choose between recording on the computer or record to the cloud. Now, if you don't have a premium Zoom account, you'll only have one of these options, which is to the computer. So as you can see here, if I go to record to my computer, it'll start recording. You can see up here in the upper right-hand corner that it is recording. And if I hover over that, it gives me the option to either pause that recording or stop the recording altogether. It also notifies the other members of the call that you are recording if you haven't done so already. Now, when you're done recording the call, you just want to hover down the record button right here at the bottom of the screen, click on that, and then go to stop recording. When the call ends, where does the recording go? The easiest way of finding where that file's going is going to your Zoom navigation page, which is right here, and then go to settings by clicking on the gear icon, and then just clicking on recording right here. And then one of the first options is going to be storage location. As you can see, this is where my recordings are being stored. As you can see, here's that folder down here, and I can go into a recording file right here and then pull up and preview those recordings and do what I want to do with them. It will record both video and audio of that call. If you want to change where it's storing those recordings, go back up to storage location, go to change, and then just select a folder in which you want those to be stored. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this video helped you, help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.